Click the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and click the like button. Say hi to Heaven, guys. She's doing great, aren't you, girl? Aren't you doing great? Yes, you are, girl. My girl. What are you looking at? Looking in June for what? How are you, girl? It's raining, huh? It's raining, it's a pouring, the old man is snoring. I'm just being funny. It's a bit laugh. Sorry guys, but I can't show one of the horses that are here. Just Chris on, because I don't know. Plus, he's only gonna be here for 2 months anyways. Till the beginning of June. But it's okay, right, girl? Look at her, guys. She's just having a good day. Aren't you, girl? Tired, too? So now I'm gonna go show you guys the inside. And then I'm gonna show you guys. And then I'll be done. There. And now, Zeke. Zeke. Hey, bud. Hey, you. Oh, baby. Hey. You're just gonna kind of see sight right now. Okay, I'm gonna be back on Heaven. Hi, girl. Huh? What are you doing? Do you know what you're doing? Do you know, girl? What?